Dude, this is insane. What? The H2? Bruh. I hate stretched bikes though. This hoe looks crazy. Bro, I bet you it's loud. OMGZ. That's cool. That made my night, bro. Low key. Sheriff, everybody hide. Oh. That is a female skis. Everybody hide, a female. Someone made a pretty good point, and I hate to admit it because I don't want them to be right. Basically, the gist of it is you could play with death, but don't f***ing kiss it. And if you want to ride reckless, don't do it all the time. I would like to say that I'm pretty good about it. But I mean, then again, like, if I look back and watch footage, I don't know. Basically, the way he explained it was you could split in between two semis, but don't do it all the time. Think of it like that. So, I don't know, skis. What up, players and pimps? We are on yet another nighttime ride. It is nighttime ride season. It is spring, so that means we must night ride. Nothing I'd rather do in this world. This is where my peace is. The topic of today's video is how do you get over your ex-girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatever. Okay? Here's what happened to me. I didn't listen to my own advice. I gave my girl a second chance. Okay? We got into one argument and she went on a date with another dude. And I'm not gonna get into the details because otherwise this video won't get any views. So, and you ask yourself, brother, how in the world do you get over that? It's been two days and you're freaking doing amazing. You're acting like it never happened. And that's exactly my point. I'm acting like it didn't happen. I'm not gonna let some girl, some dude freaking bring me down, bro. I was happy without her. I was not happy with her. So guess what? I'm not supposed to be with her. That's how it works, brother. That's the answer to your problems. If you were happy before and you're not happy now, you should leave. And then you're probably wondering, but I still love her. I want her back. I would, you know, if she didn't do this, like, no. Because then you're gonna let her talk you in to getting back together again. Because guess what? She ran out of options. That's why she wants you, brother. Brother, she wants you because the has ran dry. The guy that stole her realized, oh, this lady isn't all that I wanted. But in nature, this is what females do. You look at female cats, they go f the whole neighborhood. Okay? Guess what your female's gonna go do? Alright, guess why you should move on. She's either thinking about it or she already did go f the whole neighborhood. You need to move on. You need to do better for yourself. And then you're probably asking yourself, bro, you gotta hit on other girls. You gotta find a new piece of to get a motorcycle and go do 120, okay? Even on a little 400, this will cure your depression, bro. You gotta go over 100 miles an hour. You gotta fly down the road. See, guys, you gotta stay alert. No blinker. He just merged over. And guess what? I'm not mad because guess what? I'm riding a bike. I can avoid it. Pay attention. He had no idea I was doing 100 plus. But after you do 100 plus and after you find a new piece of ass to hit on, you gotta tell yourself, you know what? I'm doing great. I feel amazing. Nobody can hurt me, nobody can touch me. Because I'm a straight up dog. That's what you gotta tell yourself. I need to get better about doing the speed limit every once in a while. Pretty bad at it. I also want to get a faster bike. So, if you're watching this, make sure you like and subscribe because I want a ZX6R. Alright? I'm heartbroken. Not anymore, but I was. So I deserve one. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm getting off my booty and I'm working for it. But the least you could do is like and subscribe. You know, it's the right thing to do. Yo, what up, brothers? What up, players and pimps? We're back at it with another banger. So, one of my subscribers brought it to my attention. I have a really weird name and a lot of people don't understand like how to pronounce it. Kind of like this guy doesn't know how to use the stop sign. Alright, I'm gonna go then. So it was brought to my attention that I have a weird name. My name's pronounced Zocuity, whatever the hell you want to say, I don't care. Alright, I figured I had to make that clear. I kept on forgetting about it, but you know, now you know. So, that's cool. I chose the worst day to come down here. Are you serious? Bro, this is lame. It's going into one lane, bro. Oh, I'm gonna slow down. Yo, what up? If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe so I can get a ZX6R. It's free and it kind of helps me out a lot, actually. It boosts my ego. But this is a reminder that racing is not a crime. Do not give your girlfriend a second chance. And if she cheats on you, go do 100 miles per hour down the highway and find a new piece of ass to hit on, you know? Just any girl you see, just, you know, rizz her up. You could flirt with a girl and not ask her out. That's okay. All right? So if your girl cheated on you, she did it because she had options. All right, it's time for you to get some options. Start flirting with people. But I love y'all. Everyone have an amazing night. God bless all of you. And if you love me, like and subscribe so I can get a ZX6R. Peace. Love you. Bye.